In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Squarespace. If you want to give your site a different look and feel, changing a section's background color is one of the easiest ways to do it. In Squarespace, this is typically done by applying a color theme to a specific section, which helps keep your design consistent across the page while still letting you highlight important content. To begin, open the page you want to edit in Squarespace and locate the section whose background color you want to change. Once you're hovering over that section, click on Edit Section. This opens the section settings panel, where you can adjust the design options for that specific part of the page. If you're working on a long page with several sections, take a second to confirm that you're editing the correct one before making changes. After the section settings panel appears, click on Colors. This is where Squarespace lets you control the color styling for that section. Instead of manually choosing a single background color in the traditional sense, Squarespace often uses preset color themes. These themes are designed to coordinate background colors, text colors, buttons, and other design elements automatically, so your section remains readable and visually balanced. Once you're in the colors area, select a color theme. As you click through the available options, you'll usually see the section update right away, which makes it easy to preview the result. Choose the theme that best matches the style you want for that part of your site. For example, a lighter theme can make a section feel clean and open, while a darker theme can create stronger contrast and help draw attention. As you make your selection, keep readability in mind. A background color should support your content, not make it harder to read. Make sure the text, buttons, and any images in the section still look clear and polished against the new background. If one option looks too strong or too muted, simply try another theme until the section feels right. And that's it. To change the background color in Squarespace, just open the section settings, go to Colors, and choose the color theme you want. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your website. If you're updating multiple sections, try to keep your color choices consistent so the page feels intentional and professional.